Hello, dry cleaners. There is a great opportunity to grow your business by joining EazyIron. With EazyIron, you can not only attract more customers, but also provide them with a significant advantage through free pickup and drop-off services, which will be a winning factor among your competitors. The entire process operates smoothly through the EazyIron Dry Cleaner app. To get started, install the EazyIron Dry Cleaner app, register by entering your personal and business information, upload the necessary documents, and you're done. Upon successful verification, congratulations, you're an authorized EazyIron Dry Cleaner. How it works: customers will use the EazyIron app to choose their preferred dry cleaner based on their postal code area and place the orders. Selected dry cleaners will receive notifications for these orders and have the option to accept them. Each order will have a minimum value of $50 and will have specific times for dropping off and picking up clothes. Upon accepting an order, the dry cleaner will receive a 4-digit security code on the app. EazyIron's registered driver will drop off the clothes at the scheduled time. The dry cleaner will share the code with the driver to confirm the delivery to the right location. After receiving the clothes, the dry cleaner will cross-check the wear, tear, type, and quantity with the order and confirm through the app. If there is any kind of discrepancy in the order, the dry cleaner will report it to the EazyIron support team immediately. After job completion, the dry cleaner will verify it through the app. At the appointed time, the driver will arrive to collect the clothes and share a code with the dry cleaner to ensure that the clothes are handed over to the correct individual. Payment will be reimbursed on a bi-weekly basis corresponding to the number of orders. EazyIron ensures a fair and transparent payment system, making it a profitable opportunity. Join EazyIron today and grow your dry cleaning business.